In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a demo account on TradingView for 2025. TradingView is a powerful platform used by millions of traders worldwide to analyze markets, create charts, and even make trades. It's perfect for anyone, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out. Demo accounts, also known as paper trading accounts, are crucial for practicing without risking real money. They allow you to execute trades in real-time market conditions without any financial risk. Now, let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView's website. Make sure you're on the official site to ensure the safety and security of your information. Once you're there, take a moment to browse the homepage and familiarize yourself with the platform's user-friendly design and vast array of features at your disposal. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find various options. Look for the option labeled Products. By clicking on it, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu containing a variety of services offered by TradingView. It's here that you'll get a sense of all the tools and features TradingView has, specifically tailored for a range of trading needs. Now, scroll through the options and click on the Trading panel. This section is where you can connect your TradingView account to different brokers or, as we'll do today, set up a demo account. The trading panel acts as your command center, offering direct access to markets through diverse integrations. Once you're in the trading panel, look for paper trading. This is TradingView's demo account feature, which simulates trading in real-time markets without using actual money. Click on paper trading to open up the setup options. This feature is incredibly helpful for testing out strategies or simply getting a feel for the trading environment without any pressure. After selecting paper trading, click on the Connect button. This action will sync your account to TradingView's paper trading system, setting up your demo account where you can start making test trades. The Connect button is straightforward and initiates a link between your account and the demo trading environment seamlessly. Now that your demo account is connected, click on Orders. This option will guide you to the window where you can review all your current and past trades. It's a crucial tool for analyzing your trading patterns and understanding where you might improve or adjust your strategy. Finally, click on Trade. This feature allows you to execute trades from within the platform. You can test strategies, consider different markets, and understand how various trades work without any risk. It's an educational experience without the financial stress of real-world trading. Following these steps will give you full access to TradingView's paper trading features. Use this demo account to hone your skills, test new trading strategies, and build confidence before entering the real markets. Thanks for watching and happy trading.